Dad.
What?
Say empty.
Empty.
Now take away the E.
Empty.
Now the P.
MTI.
Now the Y.
MT.
Now O.
Empty.
What is this guy chasing me?
That is called seek.
Now what is this in the library?
Figure.
I don't want to play anymore.
Why not?
Because I got caught by some guy read in rooms. Grandpa, 10 plus 10 and 11 plus 11 equals the same thing.
Why?
Because 10 plus 10 is 20, and 11 plus 11 equals 22.
Oh, yeah, it does.
This will be easy to roast them right.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, really try.
Yo, try.
You're so not cool because you hate all bacons.
We hate you both because you have not much subs.
Well, you suck at making TikToks.
Who cares?
About you.